Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Alteryx for visual data prep and analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Alteryx for visual data preparation and analytics, start by downloading the Alteryx Designer installer from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed through the installation steps. When prompted, accept the software license agreement to continue. Choose the destination folder where you want to install Alteryx, or use the default location provided. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to finish, which may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once installed, locate the Alteryx Designer application on your computer and open it. You'll be greeted with the Alteryx welcome screen. Now, you need to activate your Alteryx license. To do this, look for the option to activate Alteryx from the welcome screen or under the Help menu. Select the License Activation option. You will be prompted to enter your license key. Enter your license key carefully in the specified field. After entering the key, click on the Activate button. If your license key is valid, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your license has been successfully activated. At this point, your Alteryx Designer is fully activated and ready for use. You can now start creating workflows for visual data preparation and analytics. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Begin by dragging and dropping tools from the tool palette onto the canvas. Connect the tools as needed to construct your data process. With Alteryx activated, you can now unlock its powerful capabilities for data analytics. Refer to the documentation and tutorials available for guidance on various functionalities. Happy analyzing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.